Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn off or disable sleep mode on your Android. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. You can easily find it on your home screen or inside the app drawer. Step 2. In the Settings menu, scroll down till you see the Display option, then tap on it. Step 3. In the Display settings, scroll down and locate the Screen Timeout option, then tap on it. Step 4. Here, you will see multiple time duration options, but there is no direct option to completely turn off or disable sleep mode. Don't worry, just follow the next steps. Step 5. Now, go back to the main settings menu, scroll down and find the About Phone option, then tap on it. Step 6. In the About Phone menu, scroll down and look for the Software Information option, then tap on it. Step 7. Inside this menu, find the Build Number option. Tap on it 7 times. You may be asked to enter your device password. Doing this will enable developer mode. Step 8. After enabling developer mode, go back to the main settings menu, scroll down and find the Developer Options menu, then tap on it. Step 9. Inside Developer Options, scroll down and find the Stay Awake option. Right now, this option is disabled. Step 10. Finally, tap on the toggle button to enable Stay Awake. Once this is turned on, your phone will no longer go to sleep while it is charging. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.